Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your password in Gmail. Changing your password in Gmail is not going to change your password only in Gmail, because since Gmail is a part of your Google's account, it is actually going to change your whole Google account's password, okay? So the way you can do this is actually pretty easy. You're going to go to the Gmail, and from Gmail you're going to click onto your email profile icon from here, and then you're going to click on Manage Your Account. From Manage Your Account, you're going to wait for it to load, and then you're going to scroll down. You're going to scroll all the way to something called Security. Now, from Security, you're going to scroll down until something called Password. You're going to click on Password, and when it clicks on your password, when you click on your password, it's going to ask you for your current password. You're going to put it in, and then after you put your password, as you can see, you can change your password again. But keep in mind, keep in mind that when you change your password, you're going to be signed out from a little bit of devices, the devices that are not trusted by your Google account. Your whole Google your whole Google account's password is going to be changed, and you can't use any old password that you used. So that basically how you can change your Gmail password. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you.